So what we ended up doing was building an assembly line of robots that each had different missions, and
Yep.
those robots work together as a team to create the work product. So here you have, hey, here's what my initial requirements are. You wake up a business analyst that writes the business analyst. You then have a technical architect that goes and writes the technical architecture. You don't even get to the coding until you have the detailed technical architecture down. And then once you have the technical architecture down and you code the project, once you code it, you actually have an agent that scores the project. Once you have a scoring agent, you go from the scoring agent to a testing agent that writes the test. And the thing keeps going until it gets your code to an acceptable level based on the scoring mechanism. So what you're seeing right now is it's literally going through the whole process and building the code. And what this really reflects is the fact that a big piece of our business that we're not sure people are aware of is we have a lot going on with robotics. And the reason I brought Graham on the call is that we think some of the key problems with deploying Agentforce is there's a lot of setup.